Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The Book of Job chapter 41 verses 1 to 34 and the Book of Job chapter 42 verses 1 to 17:1. Can you draw out Leviathan with a fishhook or press down his tongue with a cord? 2. Can you put a rope into his nose or pierce his jaw through with a hook? 3. Will he make many petitions to you, or will he speak soft words to you? 4. Will he make a covenant with you, that you should take him for a servant forever? 5. Will you play with him as with a bird, or will you bind him for your girls? 6. Will traders barter for him? Will they part him among the merchants? 7. Can you fill his skin with barbed irons, or his head with fish spears? 8. Lay your hand on him. Remember the battle, and do so no more. 9. Behold, the hope of him is in vain. Won't one be cast down even at the sight of him? 10. None is so fierce that he dare stir him up. Who then is he who can stand before me? 11. Who has first given to me, that I should repay him? Everything under the heavens is mine. 12. I will not keep silence concerning his limbs, nor his mighty strength, nor his goodly frame. 13. Who can strip off his outer garment? Who will come within his jaws? 14. Who can open the doors of his face? Around his teeth is terror. 15 strong scales are his pride, shut up together with a close seal. 16. One is so near to another that no air can come between them. 17. They are joined to one another. They stick together so that they can't be pulled apart. 18. His sneezing flashes out light. His eyes are like the eyelids of the morning. 19. Out of his mouth go burning torches. Sparks of fire leap out. 20. Out of his nostrils a smoke goes, as of a boiling pot over a fire of reeds. 21. His breath kindles coals. A flame goes out of his mouth. 22. There is strength in his neck. Terror dances before him. 23. The flakes of his flesh are joined together. They are firm on him. They can't be moved. 24. His heart is as firm as a stone. Yes, firm as the lower millstone. 25. When he raises himself up, the mighty are afraid. They retreat before his thrashing. 26. If one attacks him with the sword, it can't prevail, nor the spear, the dart, nor the pointed shaft. 27. He counts iron as straw, and bronze as rotten wood. 28. The arrow can't make him flee. Sling stones are like chaff to him. 29 clubs are counted as stubble. He laughs at the rushing of the javelin. 30. His undersides are like sharp potsherds, leaving a trail in the mud like a threshing sledge. 31. He makes the deep to boil like a pot. He makes the sea like a pot of ointment. 32. He makes a path shine after him. One would think the deep had white hair. 33. On earth there is not his equal, that is made without fear. 34. He sees everything that is high. He is king over all the sons of pride. The Book of Job chapter 42 verses 1 to 16:1. Then Job answered the Lord. 2. I know that you can do all things, and that no purpose of yours can be restrained. 3. You asked, who is this who hides counsel without knowledge? Therefore I have uttered that which I didn't understand, things too wonderful for me, which I didn't know. 4. You said, listen, now, and I will speak. I will question you, and you will answer me. 5. I had heard of you by the hearing of the ear, but now my eye sees you. 6. Therefore I abhor myself, and repent in dust and ashes. 7. It was so that after the Lord had spoken these words to Job, the Lord said to Eliphaz the Temanite, My wrath is kindled against you, and against your 2 friends. For you have not spoken of me the thing that is right, as my servant Job has. 8. Now therefore, take to yourselves 7 bulls and 7 rams, and go to my servant Job, and offer up for yourselves a burnt offering. And my servant Job shall pray for you, for I will accept him, that I not deal with you according to your folly. For you have not spoken of me the thing that is right, as my servant Job has. 9 So Eliphaz the Temanite, and Bildad the Shahite, and Zophar the Naamathite went and did what the Lord commanded them. And the Lord accepted Job. 10 The Lord restored Job's prosperity when he prayed for his friends. The Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. 11 Then all his brothers, all his sisters, and all those who had been of his acquaintance before came to him and ate bread with him in his house. They comforted him and consoled him concerning all the evil that the Lord had brought on him. Everyone also gave him a piece of money, and everyone a ring of gold. 12 So the Lord blessed the latter end of Job more than his beginning. He had 14,000 sheep, 6,000 camels, 1,000 yoke of oxen, and 1,000 female donkeys. 13 He had also 7 sons and 3 daughters. 14 He called the name of the first Jemimah, and the name of the second Keziah, and the name of the third Karen-Happuch. 15 In all the land were no women found so beautiful as the daughters of Job. Their father gave them an inheritance among their brothers. 16 After this Job lived 140 years, and saw his sons and his sons' sons to 4 generations. 17 So Job died, being old and full of days. Thank you so much for joining me, watching and learning about the book of Job, chapter 41, verses 1 to 34, and the book of Job, chapter 42, verses 1 to 17. This is the end of Job. Now on to Psalms. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.